Hello folks, today I'm heading to the summit of Pripyat, which is above the lake Grüner See in Austria. The entrance to the mountain was quite difficult to find, but I think I found the right way. I will go along this rock and I will try to get there. It's steep, really steep, but really cool. It's really amazing trail. Look at the hill. Wow. There are stairs here in the rock. Look at that. It will be a little bit more difficult, I guess. I will try to climb it, but I don't know if I can hold the camera. There is a way. Oh. Whoa. Pretty rough terrain. I wouldn't say that the trail like this is here. I didn't see that from the bottom of the mountain. I'm not totally sure where I should go. Oh, maybe here. Ah, yes. There's a pad here. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Ah, goats. Hello, boys. Don't worry. Don't worry. Have a nice day. Bye bye. I heard a company. Oh, there's a sign here. Green sign. Woo! I don't have climbing equipment here. I hope it's not needed, but there's a rope. It's steep, but it looks pretty okay. Yeah. This part I have to climb, but I will try it, but I will without camera. Okay, I look at the map and I realize that I am on the wrong way. So I will try to go back and find the right trail. Anyway, the view is really awesome from here, of course, but I don't have climbing equipment and I don't know why the rope is here. I will leave it here because it's not mine. I don't know. I'm going down. Oh. Okay, I took a break and I think I am again on the right trail. So it looks more like hiking trail. I think I will go this way. Anyway, the weather is really nice. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes windy, but no storm. I'm gonna drive today, so I need to have a time for the way back to the car, because now I am maybe 2 hours maybe from the car. It's pretty far, and the summit is pretty far too. Oh, there are 2 trails here again. One is here and one is here. It's pretty crazy that I met no one here, and I don't understand why. The hike is totally gorgeous. What's that? I don't know. There is everything here. Forest, rocks, nice weather, wildlife, and amazing nature. What is it, a bird or pig? Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Huh? I don't know. That was Raven. Okay, I think it's the first real viewpoint here. Wow. Look at it. It's a really awesome hike. The mountain is pretty high. I thought it will be easier. Okay, I am going back. Oh, it's snowing. It's not. It's snowing, not raining. I decided to go back to the car because I have to drive and it's pretty late. This hike definitely worth it, and I want to come here again, so I have to go there on the path, and there is a very long journey from here. Doesn't matter, I'm going back to the forest. And don't forget, in the forest it's raining 2 times. See you later.